Welcome back to Old Chiller. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the 1845 Florida $quarter coin and exploring its current value in today's market. Here it is, the 1845 Florida $quarter coin. This piece of history holds a lot of significance and has captured the attention of collectors and numismatists alike. When assessing the rarity, we consider factors such as mintage numbers and survival rates. The 1845 Florida $quarter coin had a limited mintage, making it quite sought after by collectors. Condition is another critical factor. The better the condition of the coin, the higher its potential value. Coins that have been well preserved over the years tend to fetch higher prices at auctions and sales. To give you an idea, as of my last research in September 2021, an 1845 Florida $quarter coin in good condition could be valued anywhere from a few hundred to $9,000. Remember, coin values can fluctuate due to market trends, collector preferences, and other factors. If you're serious about determining the exact value of your 1845 Florida $quarter coin, consider consulting a professional numismatist or using online coin appraisal services.